A computer motherboard is essential as it connects all components, enabling communication and system functionality. My today's video is about top 5 best computer motherboard that's available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at ASUS Computer Motherboard. The TUF gaming motherboard with AMD AM5 socket is built to maximize the performance of AMD Ryzen 7000 series desktop processors. Its enhanced power solution, featuring 12+2 teamed power stages, 8+4 ProCool sockets, alloy chokes, and durable capacitors, ensures stable and reliable power delivery even under heavy workloads. Next-generation connectivity options include M.2 PCIe 5.0, USB 3.2 Gen 2 x2 Type-C, front USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C, and USB 4 support, enabling lightning-fast data transfer and device compatibility. Designed for online gaming, it features Wi-Fi 6, Realtek 2.5 Gigabits Ethernet, and TUF LAN guard for lag-free, stable connections. Two-way AI noise cancellation enhances in-game communication or video calls by reducing background noise from both microphone and audio output. Comprehensive cooling solutions, including enlarged VRM and PCH heatsinks, M.2 heatsinks, hybrid fan headers, and Fan Expert 2 Plus via Armory Crate, maintain optimal temperatures. Stylish Aura Sync RGB effects, edge lighting, and multiple RGB headers add a customizable aesthetic, making this motherboard a powerful and visually striking choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts. Now our second product is ASRock Computer Motherboard. This compact Micro-ATX motherboard delivers high-end performance in a space-saving 244mm x 244mm form factor, ensuring compatibility with most Micro-ATX and ATX computer cases. Designed for the next-generation AMD platform, it supports socket AM5 Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series processors, making it ideal for gamers, content creators, and enthusiasts. Its robust 8+2+1 phase power design with Dr. MOS for vCore, ASUS, and MISC guarantees stable and efficient power delivery under heavy workloads. For DDR5 DMM slots support dual-channel memory with overclock speeds of up to 8000 OSI, providing lightning-fast performance for multitasking and gaming. For graphics expansion, it includes a PCIe 5.0 x 16 slot, while storage is accelerated by one PCIe Gen5 x 4 M.2 slot and two PCIe Gen4 x 4 Hyper M.2 slots. Connectivity is comprehensive with Realtek 2.5G LAN, Wi-Fi 6E, and multiple USB ports including front and rear Type-C, ensuring versatile and high-speed networking. This motherboard combines cutting-edge technology, compact design, and reliability for a powerful PC build. Our third product is Gigabyte Computer Motherboard. This high-performance motherboard with AMD socket AM5 is designed to fully support AMD Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series processors, offering exceptional power and stability for gaming, content creation, and multitasking. Its advanced 14+2+2 power design ensures reliable and efficient delivery to the CPU, memory, and other components, enabling peak performance even under heavy workloads. Equipped with 4 DDR5 DMM slots, it provides high-speed memory support with dual-channel configurations, allowing for extreme responsiveness and smooth multitasking. Comprehensive thermal solutions, including VRM and M.2 thermal guards, keep critical components cool and maintain system stability during prolonged use or intensive applications. Connectivity is next-generation ready with PCIe 5.0 for the latest graphics cards, 3 high-speed M.2 slots for ultra-fast storage, and USB-C support for versatile device compatibility. Sensor panel link further enhances monitoring and control, making this motherboard an ideal choice for enthusiasts seeking cutting-edge performance, reliability, and future-proof expansion in a modern AMD build. Now number 4, ASUS Computer Motherboard. This AM5 motherboard is designed to unleash the full potential of AMD Ryzen desktop 9000, 8000, and 7000 series processors, offering powerful performance for gaming, content creation, and high-demand computing. Users may require a BIOS update when pairing with Ryzen 9000 or 8000 series CPUs to ensure seamless compatibility. Its robust power solution features 12+2 power stages, 8+4 ProCool power connectors, high-quality alloy chokes, and durable capacitors, providing stable and efficient power delivery to support multi-core processors under heavy workloads. The optimized thermal design includes massive VRM heatsinks with strategically cut airflow channels and high-conductivity thermal pads, maintaining low temperatures and maximizing system stability during intense use. Next-generation storage is fully supported with one PCIe 5.0 M.2 slot and two PCIe 4.0 M.2 slots, each equipped with heatsinks to enhance performance and prevent thermal throttling. Combining reliable power delivery, advanced cooling, and cutting-edge storage support, this motherboard is an ideal choice for building a high-performance, future-proof AMD system. And our last choice is Gigabyte Computer Motherboard. This AMD AM4 motherboard is designed to fully support 3rd-gen AMD Ryzen processors, offering reliable performance for gaming, productivity, and everyday computing. Its dual-channel DDR4 memory support with 2 DIMM slots provides fast and efficient multitasking, allowing users to maximize system responsiveness. The motherboard features an optimized VRM heatsink and a direct 6-phase digital PWM design with 55 DRMOS, ensuring stable and efficient power delivery to the CPU for smooth performance even under heavy workloads. A PCIe 3.0x16 slot enables high-speed graphics card installation, while the NVMe PCIe 3.0x4M.2 slot allows for ultra-fast storage performance, reducing load times and improving overall system responsiveness. For audio, the ALC887 codec delivers clear and immersive sound for gaming, streaming, and multimedia applications. Combining reliable power delivery, fast storage, and essential connectivity, this motherboard is an excellent choice for building a compact, high-performance AMD system without unnecessary complexity. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.